Dear students, welcome back to all four e-learning classes. Okay, in the previous class, learned about inverse point with respect to the circle. Inverse point. Suppose here P comma Q. The P comma Q are said to be inverse points with respect to the circle S equal to 0, having center at C and radius small r. We have conditions C comma P comma Q are collinear and P comma Q lies on the same side of C, and also CQ into CP equal to R square. So these are the conditions. Okay, next. Here in this diagram, Q is the inverse of P. Here Q lies on the polar of P. This is the polar of P. The point Q lies on the polar of P. Here the point P lies outside of the circle S equal to 0, then the inverse of P lies inside the circle S equal to 0. If the point P lies inside the circle S equal to 0, the inverse of P lies outside of the circle S equal to 0. If the point P lies on the circle S equal to 0, then the inverse of P is itself. Next, here inverse points are conjugate points. Inverse points are conjugate points and converse need not be true. Okay, next. Here the point Q. The point Q is what? Inverse of P with respect to the circle S equal to 0, and the point Q is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point P on the polar of P, and also the point Q is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the center on the polar of P. Okay, right. Now note points. First one, the inverse point of origin with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is minus gc by g square plus f square comma minus fc by g square plus f square. The inverse point of x1 comma y1 with respect to a circle x square plus y square equal to r square is r square x1 by x1 square plus y1 square comma r square y1 by x1 square plus y1 square. Okay, problem. The inverse point of 2 comma minus 3 with respect to a circle x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 is the inverse point of 2 comma minus 3 with respect to the circle. Here given circle is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. The center of this circle is what? Minus 3 comma 2, and given point P equal to 2 comma minus 3. First observe the point 2 comma 3 lies inside the circle or outside of the circle or on the circle. First here 4, check S11 value. 4 plus 9 13, 13 plus 12 25, 25 plus 12 30, it is positive. S11 value is positive. The point 2 comma 3, the point P lies outside of the circle S equal to 0. Okay, now let Q, the center, this point is Q. Here let Q is the inverse of P. Let Q is the inverse of P. Okay, here Q lies inside the circle and lies on the polar of P. Here Q is the point of intersection of line CP and the polar of P. Q is the point of intersection of the lines joining C and P and polar of P. It is one process. Another process is Q is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the center on the polar of P. You can do any method. Right here, first find polar of P. equation of polar is S1 equal to 0 for given circle S1 xx1 plus yy1 plus 3 of x plus x1 minus 2 of y plus y1 minus 12 equal to 0. Next x1 y1 means 2 comma minus 3. Here 2x next minus 3y next plus 3x1 3 into 2 6 minus 2y minus y1 is minus 3 here minus into minus plus 6 next minus 12 equal to 0. Next implies here 2x plus 3x 5x minus 5y next 5x minus 5y equal to 0 implies x minus y equal to 0. This is the polar of P. Here equation of the polar of P is what? S1 equal to 0. S1 xx1 plus yy1 plus 3 of x plus x1 minus 2 of y plus y1 minus 12 equal to 0. In place of x1 comma y1 2 comma minus 3. Here x1 2x y1 minus 3 minus 3y plus 3x here 3 into 2 6 next minus 2y minus 2 into y1 is minus 3 here plus 6 minus 12. Now here 2x plus 3x 5x minus 5y here constant is 0. X minus y equal to 0. Okay, here the point Q lies on the line x minus y equal to 0. Okay, now equation of CP. Equation of CP is the line joining center and the point P. Y, suppose the point is y minus 2 equal to y minus y1 equal to slope minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 2 plus 3 into x minus x1 plus 3. Okay, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now here it is y minus 2 equal to minus 1 into x plus 3. Next y minus 2 equal to minus x minus 3. Now write as it is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the line joining CP. Here minus 5 by plus 5 is what? Minus 1. Y minus 2 equal to minus x minus 3. Taking left side, then it is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now the point Q is the point of intersection of the line CP and the polar of P. Q is point of intersection of, suppose this line is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Q is point of intersection of 1 and 2. Now solving 1 and 2 we get here x equal to y directly, here Q equal to here x equal to y, therefore y plus y 2y plus 1 equal to 0, therefore y equal to minus 1 by 2. Here x coordinate and y coordinates are equal, therefore the point is minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. The point key is minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Okay, next problem. If the inverse of P minus 3 comma 5 with respect to a circle is 1 comma 3, and the polar of P with respect to the circle is, if the inverse of P minus 3 comma 5 with respect to a circle is 1 comma 3, the polar of P with respect to the circle is. Here, suppose the point P is minus 3 comma 5. The point Q is 1 comma 3. Here inverse of P is given. Given P equal to minus 3 comma 5, let Q equal to 1 comma 3. Here equation of the polar of P. Here equation of this line is given. Equation of this line is given. Observe, here P comma Q are given. The polar, it is the polar of P. Here polar of P is perpendicular to the line joining P and Q. Therefore, first find slope of PQ. Slope of PQ is y2 minus y1 by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is 2 by minus 4 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is 2 by minus 4. It is minus 1 by 2. Now slope of here PQ and PQ, line PQ and polar of P are perpendicular. Therefore, slope of polar is 2. Okay, now equation of polar of P is, here the polar passing to the point Q. Equation of polar of P is y minus 3 equal to 2 into x minus 1. Okay, implies y minus 3 equal to 2x minus 2. Taking right side 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Observe here, the inverse point of P with respect to the circle is given 1 comma 3. It means the point P is minus 3 comma 5. The point Q is 1 comma 3. Here Q is the inverse of P. The equation of the polar of P is what? This is the polar of P. Here observe, first find the slope of the line joining P and Q. Here the line PQ is perpendicular to the polar of P. The slope of PQ is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, slope of the polar of P is 2. The equation of polar of P is, here polar passing to the point Q 1 comma 3 having slope 2, y minus 3. Here y minus 3 equal to 2 of x minus 1. Simplification, we get 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, next heading, chord with midpoint. The equation of the chord of the circle S equal to 0 having P x1 comma y1 as its midpoint is S1 equal to S11. Here S1 equal to S11 means it is a line equation. S11 means what? Constant. S1 means what? X1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c. S11 means what? It is a constant, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c. This is line equation. The equation of the chord of the circle S equal to 0 having P x1 comma y1 as its midpoint is S1 equal to S11. Okay, now proof of this theorem. Here equation of this circle is S equal to 0. This is the chord of the circle S equal to 0. Here given it is P. Here P x1 comma y1 is the midpoint of the chord of the circle S equal to 0. Here center. This is center of the circle. Here equation of the chord required. Here equation of the chord, we have to show that S1 equal to S11. Actually this is, here CP is the perpendicular bisector of the chord of the circle S equal to 0. Now this chord is perpendicular to the line joining C and P. Okay, now given circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now center of this circle minus g comma minus f. A given point equal to p, that equal to x1 comma y1. First find slope of CP. Slope of CP is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope of CP is y1 plus f by x1 plus g. x1 plus g. It is slope of CP. Now slope of chord. Slope of chord is minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. This is m, this is minus 1 by m. Here the line CP and this chord are perpendicular. The slope of CP is y1 plus f by x1 plus g. Slope of the chord is minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. Now equation of chord. Equation of chord is, here chord passing to the point, here this chord passing to the point px1 comma y1. Now equation of chord is y minus y1 equal to having slope minus x1 plus g by y1 plus f into x minus x1. Here y minus y1 equal to minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f into x minus x1. Now cross multiplication y1 plus fy. Next minus y1 square minus fy1 equal to here y1 plus fy minus y1 square minus fy1 minus xx1, right side minus xx1, minus into minus plus x1 square. Next here minus gx, next minus into minus plus gx1. Now next the equation of the chord is s1 equal to s11. Here negative terms in left side, negative terms in right side. Interchange these two terms. Now here minus xx1 taking left side, it is xx1 plus yy1 plus gx plus fy. Okay, left side completed. Now right side x1 square plus y1 square plus gx1 plus fy1. Okay, next step here adding gx1 plus fy1 plus c on both sides. Adding gx1 plus fy1 plus c on both sides. Next implies here xx1 plus y1, next gx plus gx1, g of x plus x1, here fy plus fy1, f of y plus y1 plus c, right side x1 square plus y1 square plus gx1 plus gx1, 2gx1, fy1 plus fy1, 2fy1 plus c. Observe left side xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c, write as it is s1. Okay, next x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c, write as s11. Therefore s1 equal to s11. Friends, observe here it is the circle s equal to 0. The equation of the chord, this is the chord, equation of the chord having px1, y1 as its midpoint is s1 equal to s11. First find center of the circle minus g comma minus f. The point p is given x1 comma y1. First find the slope of cp. The slope of cp is y1 plus f by x1 plus g. Next here cp and this chord are perpendicular. Next slope of the chord is minus of x1 plus g by y1 plus f. Now the equation of the chord is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, after getting this step, adding gx1 plus f1 plus c on both sides, we get s1 equal to s11. Now here the equation of the circle is given, the midpoint of the chord is given x1 comma y1. In this case equation of the chord is s1 equal to s11. Okay students, here the equation of the chord of the circle, the equation of the chord of the circle s equal to 0 having p x1 comma y1 as its midpoint is s1 equal to s11, and the length of the chord, equation of this chord is s1 equal to s11, and the midpoint of the chord is given and circle equation is given. In the length of the chord equal to formula 2 into under root of modulus of s11. Observe friends, here the equation of the chord of the circle having p x1 comma y1 as its midpoint is s1 equal to s11. Now the length of the chord, if the midpoint of the chord is given, circle equation is given, in the length of the chord equal to formula 2 into under root of modulus of s11. Okay, and also here midpoint of the chord, here circle equation is given, and chord equation is also given. The midpoint of the chord is what? How to find midpoint of the chord? Here circle equation is given and equation of the chord is given. How to find midpoint of the chord? Here midpoint of the chord is the foot of the perpendicular. Here midpoint of the chord is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the center upon the given chord. Here circle equation is given and equation of the chord is given. How to find midpoint of the chord? Here midpoint of the chord is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the center upon the given chord. Okay, now question, the equation of the chord of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 3 equal to 0 whose midpoint is 1 comma minus 2. Here circle equation is given and the midpoint of the chord is given. How to find equation of the chord? Equation of chord is s1 equal to s11. Here s1 for the given circle s1 xx1 plus yy1 minus 2 of x plus x1 plus 3 of y plus y1 plus 3 equal to s11 x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 6y1 plus 3. Now x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1 equal to what? 1 comma minus 2. Your midpoint is what? x1 comma y1. In place of x1 1, it is x. y1 equal to minus 2. It is minus 2y. Minus 2y. x1 equal to 1. Here y1 equal to minus 2. Minus 2y. Minus 2x. Minus 2 into x1. x1 is what? 1. It is minus 2 plus 3y. y1 equal to minus 2. It is 6. 3 into minus 2. 6. Next minus 6 plus 3. Next x1 square 1 plus 4 minus 4 minus 12 plus 3. Okay, next. Left side x minus 2x minus x. 3y minus 2y plus y. Constant minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Right side the 4 cancel. 4 minus 12, it is minus 8. Minus 8. Taking right side x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. X minus y. X minus y minus 3 equal to, this is the equation of the chord of the circle s equal to 0. Here the equation of the chord of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 3 equal to 0, whose midpoint is 1 comma minus 2. Here the equation of the chord whose midpoint is given s1 equal to s11. Okay, s1 equal to s11. Therefore equation of the chord is x minus y minus 3 equal to 0.